How to create a HackerRank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a HackerRank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser and search for HackerRank. You can directly go to hackerrank.com too. And after you're on the HackerRank's website, you will find different options such as sign up and request demo. You can see their product solutions and many more. Now, if you already have an account, tap on the login option right here. If you do not have it, just tap on sign up. Now, after you tap on sign up, you will see how do you want to use HackerRank. You can just tap whichever you want and tap on create account. After you tap on create account, it will prompt you to this page. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to type in your full name, your email address, and create a strong password. After you create a strong password, tap on sign up. Now that is the first way you can create an account. The second way is by continuing with Google, or you can continue with LinkedIn, GitHub, or Facebook too. After you do that, you will have created your account and you'll just get prompted to HackerRank's website. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can create a HackerRank's account. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.